I need help.
Okay, Daddy, I will help you. I'm here. Yay! I have an idea. This is this. I got it.
Okay.
Idea! I don't need a mustache.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Huh?
Watch me.
No! Stop! No! It's building! Building time!
Okay. 12. We are doing very good.
I'm not sure.
Yes, we are. We are builders. Break. Hey, that's my princess playhouse.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm building.
I'm super fast.
Chop.
What did you say? I'm building.
Something is wrong?
Uh-oh.
The snakes have to go inside the hole now.
Ah!
Sorry, princess. We will fix it.
The floor is fixed.
Phew.
Ta-da! We built the playhouse!
I'm tying the last curtain. Yeah. La 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 la. Wow, my princess playhouse is so lovely.
Oh, thank you!
Yippee! And flowers for you both. For Adria. Oh, thank you, Mademoiselle. Daddy, flowers are nice and they're very healthy and they smell good. Healthy?
Adi? Friends, subscribe to this channel.
We are Adria